Summarize is one of the 5 main verbs of the dplyr package. It's used to calculate summary statistics on a data frame. Summarize is often used with an auxiliary verb called group by, and what we're going to do in this demonstration is to use the 2 verbs together. We'll start by making sure that we have dplyr loaded in R. And what we're going to do is to look at a built-in data set, the iris data set. It's a data frame, and let's take a quick look at how big iris is. You can see that it has 150 rows and there are 5 columns. We'll take a look at the structure with the stir command. So we've got 4 numeric variables: sepal length, width, petal length, and petal width. We also have a factor species which has 3 different levels. So what we're going to do is to look at what the average, the mean, and the median of a couple of these variables here might happen to be. And we're going to do that with the group by and the summarize command. So we're going to start by using the group by verb, and we need to stipulate the data frame, and we want to group by species. Now in dplyr, the piping operator allows us to chain together commands, and what we're going to do is to issue a piping operator here. So we can now call summarize, and what I'm going to do is to ask R to calculate the mean sepal length. So this value, I'm going to call it mean SL, and I calculate it by taking the mean like so. And I might also be interested in knowing what the median of, say, petal width is. So call that. And it's always a good idea to include your sample sizes in your summary statistics. So what I'm going to do is call my sample size in, and there's a quick little command in dplyr, the in with the open close parentheses, that will give me my sample size. So I've got 2 lines of code that are chained together with the piping operator. Now I'll run that, and here I've got my summary statistics. So I've got my 3 species. Here's the mean sepal length. Here's the median of the petal width. And here I have my sample size for each of the species, so there are 50 data points for each species. Oftentimes, we're interested in sorting our summary statistics. So what we can do is to add an additional line. So we're going to enter another piping operator here, and we're going to use the arrange verb. And here we're going to say, let's say we want to arrange by the value of mean SL. And let's say that I want it in descending order. So what I'm going to do is to wrap that in the descending command there, and I'll run this, and you can see that what I've got is I've rearranged my data, and so now I have the highest value for SL first, the mean SL, and going down to the lowest value. So using the arrange command is often very handy just to organize your summary statistics at the very end. When you're using summarize, you can use a variety of different summary statistics. So mean, median, standard deviation, variance, range, interquartile distance, all of those are possible to be used in summarize. You can chain together a number of different summary statistics for your particular analysis.